In this video, we are going to see how we can save the files that are available in your USB flash drive and upload it directly to Google Drive. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is just plug in your USB. Here it is, and we open that up. And let's say we have some photos or some important files that we want to upload directly to Google Drive. So what we actually do is, if you are signed in with your profile in Google Chrome or let's say any other browser, you just head over to drive.google.com and this will open the drive directly. Or if you are not logged into the Google account, it will ask you for the Google credentials first and then it will let you in. Now what you can do is you can actually create a folder in a specific drive. So we go to my drive and we have a couple of files here. So we create a new folder. In order to create a new one, we click on new and click on new folder. And let's say that these are my important documents, something like that. And this will be created in my drive. After that, we just open up that folder and here we can drag and drop the important files that you want to upload, or we can click on new and file upload. But let's actually drag and drop the files. So these are some of the files that we want to load. All we have to do is just hold all of these and just drag and drop here and it will be uploaded right away. So this will only take some time depending on the file size. And we can also do it from here. We click on new and we click on file upload and we can, let's say, upload this one. So this is an important file that's uploaded here. And now after that, if you want to share that files with someone, you just right click on that, you click on share, you click on copy link, or you click on the share and then customize the share settings first. It should not be restricted. Anyone with this link should be able to view this, comment this on, or edit this. So you set the permissions accordingly, then you copy the link and forward to whatever person you want. And that is how you can save the files from USB drive to Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.